Here we have a 2011 Ford F-150. This is a Super Crew XLT model, four-wheel drive off-road package. Has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine, twin turbocharged. Ford stainless tube steps, two-tone paint, blue over silver. Get the silver matching topper, fiberglass, 2-inch hitch, towing package. You've got the 7-pin, 4-pin wiring, locking tailgate, spray and bed liner. Truck's in very nice condition. The body is very clean, no dents or scratches. It's got the chrome package with the chrome wheels, chrome door handles, chrome grille. Get the blinkers and the built-in blind spots and the side mirrors. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, bucket seats with the power driver seat, power adjustable gas and brake pedal, automatic headlights, driver information center, steering wheel stereo controls, hands-free Bluetooth with the Microsoft Sync. You got aux input, USB input, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission with tow haul mode. Very clean interior, side impact airbags, big back seat, plenty of leg room. Back windows do roll down. Back seats fold up, 60/40 split folding seat. Good looking truck. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.